Hey Mike, it's easier to do a video than to try to type all this out. So I actually think I do understand your issue and I think I provided you a solution, but maybe not the actual solution. You're using the new scanner, which I don't think you're actually pleased with, maybe not, and I know how you set the new scanner up um, because you described that. You're using the default settings. So let's go into Manage the Library and Edit. Go to Advanced. You've got the new Plex TV series as a scanner, and you've got the new Plex TV series as an agent. And you didn't know where Plex is pulling metadata from now. Well, from my understanding through the Plex forums, this new agent and scanner pulls from both TVD and TMDB, both the TV database and the movie database, in some secret sauce special way behind the scenes. Plex still allows you to bend it to your own will in almost any way you want, which is why I suggested you watch Lon's video on how to add content to a TV show that's not in either database. If your extra information from your Blu-ray release is listed at the movie database as a special, say you had problems with this season 6 special. If this is something you have and it's not being added correctly, it's a naming convention issue most likely. I know this is going to jump around. One of the things I don't know is how you've named your specials. Now, I only have one special because that's all that I have, and I'm using what's in the TV show database. If I wanted to name this for the movie database and I was having problems with Special 83, well, it would easily be named SOOE 83, but the show has to be proper too. So that's one thing I don't know, if your naming convention matches or if what you're having trouble with is not in the movie database specials database. Assuming all this is correct, and it is, you've got things named properly, and for some reason the default settings pulled up some of these specials but not all of them. For this one TV show, let me go to Plex. For this one TV show, I might just leave the global settings alone and back out of it, but you do have the option of globally setting the whole library to point to the movie database. If we go into the show level, let me go to collections. I'll just find it faster because I can go down to Star Trek. Make this full screen. So I'll go into Star Trek and we'll find the Next Generation. And while we're at the show level, I can click into Edit and then Advanced. The new scanner gives you some more options. So I can go to episode ordering here and I can pick the movie database, but it's got to be aired order. You may have to rename a few episodes to switch from the DVD ordering, and I assume the Blu-ray release follows the previous DVD release ordering. Maybe not. If it doesn't, you're stuck fully with having to rename whatever episodes don't match up with the aired ordering. But we're doing this for specials, right? So you can get all your specials from your Blu-ray in. If they're in the movie database, you can simply choose this and rescan, and properly named things in the special folder should now pull metadata, is my assumption. If this doesn't work on the show level, I think I'd back up Let's see, can I back up or do I have to go back in? Now I got to go back into the global settings for the TV show library under Advanced, and just change the agent to the movie database. It sounds like that's your preferred database instead of Plex pulling from both. However it's going to do it behind the scenes. So again, I think I understood what your issue was. You've got to pick a database. There's different ways to do it. You can pick a global. You can pick it just for the TV show for certain options with it. And whatever media comes from the Blu-ray that's not listed at the movie database or the TV show database, if it happens to be a different TV show, you can use the new features of Plex to add extras to your TV shows. In the video that I posted of Lon showed you how to add specials to the TV show overall and also how to add specials or extras at the season level. So you really can bend Plex completely to your will. I hope this video was helpful to you, but by default, the brand new or the fairly new scanner pulls from both databases. And I believe the new movie scanner not only pulls from both databases, but from IMDb too. Happy Friday and happy Plexing, and hey, let me know if this ended up being helpful to you. And for anybody else watching, I am not a professional YouTuber. I've got ums and ahs thrown in. I may say a word funny, and take it or leave it. It is what it is. Happy Friday.